2.0.
If you got it, you went right through the hole and everything.
I thought this would be way harder. When will we get out that big bottom piece and put this on there?
You mean the chassis plate thing?
Yeah. It's not going. Actually, do I have the wrong size?
Let me see. Do you have a 2.5?
I have a... Yes.
You've got the right size.
Should I go open the other one to make that
Sure.
noise stop?
Sure.
I'll do
Yeah,
that.
you got the... Not seated. There you go.
Okay.
It's too floppy, isn't it? But you got it almost all the way. Hey.
Why are the pinholes going in? I mean, because the buggy, it doesn't do that. It goes out, like, out there. Actually, they're on the pin in the buggy, it actually...
Yeah, I was going to say, I thought it did do that. Okay. Do you think this has, the movement is free? I think it's very free.
So the rest of it, before it was really floppy, but now it's not too much.
Those are the sway bars.
Yeah.
Oh, look at what we get to do.
What?
We get to build the drive axles.
Oh, I just realized that. That's where the nuts go.
That is awesome. Bag F, so I gotta find bag F.
Wait, so we finished bag C already?
We did.
What?
Our scissors are inside on the countertop.
No, we can just use these blue ones.
I know, they don't work as easy.
But still, let's just do it.
Alright. So we need the A's.
I'll take off A. Oh, you already did. So right here, we need A.
Well, there's two different. There's a front and a back. Look at the...
I know, there's like a little shelf, so I...
Well, there's two indents.
Yeah, I noticed. I noticed which way it
two
goes.
Indents. Look.
Two.
Okay, well, this A has two indents.
This one... No, this one has two.
On there?
Yeah.
It's got one. That
It's
has two.
It's got one thing inside and then two humps.
Yeah, but feel this one. How many does that have inside?
Oh.
Match it to there.
I thought you meant like how many humps it had.
No.
But, eh.
Then we'll use the same. We'll do the same on the other side.
So we have to turn it this way. Now, what do we need here?
Another A, but with one hump.
Yeah, that's the one I had before.
Yeah, but over here.
Oh.
We got.
Oh yeah, we didn't put one in there.
Mm-mm.
It's weird.
Yep.
Now we need B or
A.
D?
A.
All of them are A?
Yes, B moves the position.
So here's another A with three humps. A with
Right
three
here.
humps.
Right here.
Now we need an A with two humps. I'm just getting off both. Yeah. It yeeted itself.
Right here. That's the two, because we flipped it over. We may need to order some more of these. You know why?
Why?
These might get worn from crashes. And that
I knew that there was one of each, so I was like, that's odd.
All right, well, we need to work on this assembly. So we got to open those bags.
Okay.
And these bags. We can use our parts holder.
Some parts almost fell out of here, but they didn't. I'm gonna separate them once they go in there. But don't.
I'm getting the trash.
Some nuts. I might be correct. It might in a bit. But I'm still keeping it like that.
All right. Is that all the parts? So we got to work on this first.
All right.
Now.
Oh, these pins go in here.
These pins do.
Oh.
Right there. But the first thing you got to do is no. Look at the instructions.
I can't tell what
I was
the heck
walk
is
you through
happening.
That. Remember when we first worked on your buggy and the steering was all weird and it was going wonk, wonk, wonk? So I had messed up this step. We have to grease the barrel and the pin and put it through.
So,
this.
Which barrel? This barrel?
Mm-hmm.
Can I spread it?
Yeah, use the stick to spread it on the barrel.
Isn't this stuff like always dangerous?
No, only if you smear it in your face.
What about on your hands?
That's still not good.
Okay, it got on my hands though. How bad is it if it gets on your hands?
Not bad, just wipe it off. Now, that's good. It goes through here.
So I won't bother about that. Mm-hmm. Just gonna keep greasing.
Okay, let's get that.
Now let me put that in there.
That
oh my god, that's so much grease. Ah!
Okay. Now
I have to go wash my hands.
No, you can wipe it on this towel first. Yeah, rub the excess just on there. Okay. Now there. Wipe it off. Next is this. This part moves around in there, so that goes into there. And then the pin goes through.
The hole.
Yeah. You gotta grease the pin.
I'll grease it. Oh man, this is gonna be another thing and a half. It's stuck. I'm gonna use my hands to smear it around this time.
Yeah, get a grease all over that.
Isn't the grease just to make things slide?
Yep, it's to reduce friction so that it doesn't wear.
Then why is it like actually a chemical?
Well, that's how. There's spiders everywhere. Why do we have spiders everywhere?
We never seem to have spiders.
All right, now it goes through. Yep. You know what that does?
It keeps it on.
All the power from the motor goes through the differential.
Actually, I want to do that part.
And it spins it. We're not. That's not permanent. I was just showing you how it works. And the reason, you know why it spins all around like this?
Because the wheels have to go up and down.
Yes, it's the go up and down part. Exactly right. So what's?
But also this helps too.
What we did this part. So now we need bearing and a part I've never used before. I have never used this. Those two things go together and then
it goes this way. It goes this way. So then the bearing doesn't go inside of this because I tried it and it doesn't. Wait a minute. This bearing?
It does. It goes right there.
Well,
right.
Then this, which it doesn't go around the bearing.
But then it all goes in here. Which way does it face? Okay, let's hang on before we do that. I'm gonna look closely.
It goes this way.
Well,
actually, no.
See how this
actually, it does. It does.
Well, does it go that way with the
No, look. You can see it there. Look. See the difference?
I can't see.
See the difference?
Oh, I see it. Yep. Yep, they have it with the ridges out.
Yeah.
So put it in here first.
No, they have it like...
Yeah.
Like that.
And then that goes in?
How does this thing go around the bearing?
I don't know. It just holds it right there. Now we need another bearing right on this end. These are different. The buggy doesn't have other way any flange bearings. It shows it going the other way. Now,
boom.
Now we need that. I want to clean this off with alcohol.
Now I need a screw.
You gotta have the pin first.
Where's the pin? This pin?
No, the big pin. Look at the instructions. See the pin with the notch?
Oh, yeah.
Find a big pin with a notch. And the notch goes out facing that way for the screw. Which way is the notch? Yep, we gotta line it up first with the hole. Okay.
It's not lining up.
Yeah, it is.
Actually, it is. Oh, it fell out. I'm gonna hold it for the bottom.
Okay, now if I turn this way, gravity won't fall it out. See?
Yeah.
Now we need some Loctite on there. Just a little.
Did they make it blue on purpose?
Yeah, so you can tell when it's dry. Okay. That's good.
No, I mean for ProTech.
No, other Loctite's that color. Okay. Now this goes in there. Other way. Other way. Okay. There's another tool we need. We need the wheel nut wrench out of the tube.
Already.
Now it is. Let me check it. Let me check it. Let me check it.
I'll hold this.
It's tight. All right. So now that we've done this, do we need to do that again?
Yes. On the other one.
Yep. All right. So what? Don't flop it around. What steps do we need? And then it's the direction.
So then it's this.
Yeah. And then if you flip it upside down, it changes it. So which way?
This way.
The L needs to be on the top and the H needs to be on the bottom. Okay. So now I got to do that 3 more times. But not the one with the plus.
You said with the plus at one point. And there's no without the plus. You said the L has a plus, not the H.
Is there one with no plus at all? On either one?
Yes.
Okay, that's what we need is one with no plus.
There's 2 of them.
Whatsoever.
There's actually 4.
All right.
It's 4 of them. But I'm going to take 2 of them off.
Okay.
So I'm taking all of them off so I never get them mixed up.
Hang on.
Now turn it over.
Now that's just
Now we need to do it on the other one.
like the instructions, I think.
You think?
They're showing 2 thick spacers and 1
I know.
skinny spacer.
I saw it. I saw the skinny spacer.
Yep, and we need 2 thick spacers.
I saw that. You don't have to keep telling me. I need the cutters. Actually, there's not the cutters. There's the pliers. Where are the cutters? Thank you. Can you pull me up? You keep sliding back. Oh man, this is gonna be really difficult.
Mm-hmm. You want to scoot it closer to you? I can hold this part.
I'm gonna plier them. That might work. You were pushing on it some.
Yeah, because I got to get the pipe through.
No, you were supposed to like hold it there and then actually let me get it. Because once I had it there, you were supposed to push because I wasn't in place.
Yeah,
actually, the pliers don't make it fit.
Mm-hmm. You have to hold it in your hands like this. With the circle like that, yep. And come in. Yeah, put your finger underneath.
Can I actually push them in?
Yeah.
So here, I'll do this part. It's stuck. Got it.
Okay.
It's going through, sort of. It's not in.
Okay.
Oh, there it goes. It was because one part wasn't aligned.
All right.
Correct.
So do you want to use?
Actually, don't you have to do it on the other side too?
Look, this popped out. See? Look at the instructions. What does it say?
It says to also put one through. Actually, no, that's still the same. Oh, these screw thingies.
Yeah,
the nuts.
but you gotta do those first.
These are what I was talking about. Let me get out my only cutters.
It's already open on this end.
Oh. So these were the ones that we used already?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm going to use?
What?
One of these.
Right here. Right here. Okay, you got to put one on each side.
So it won't fall off.
You got to put one on the other side now. You know why? Because I can't hold it. I can't hold it. You got to put one on the other side, and then we can put this on to tighten.
Okay, put your thing on there. I'll hold mine still, so you can tighten that.
You got a lot more to tighten. Is that tight?
Let me check. It won't come off. Yeah, it's on.
Okay, now we got to put the set screws in through the bottom holes. That's with the 1.5.
What are the set screws?
These.
Oh.
See the little holes? You just tighten it up till it's snug.
We need the really tiny one.
Yep.
Not that one.
That's the one.
This is the tiniest. Actually, no. Where's the? Which one's
the 1.5?
Oh, this one's the tiniest. Oh, it's so tiniest. So hard to even get that in there. Get in there, you ugly screw.
You're going sideways over there. There you go.
Does it have to be sideways?
No, it has to be straight up and down.
But it's going sideways.
Oh, it's too late now. Because that's the way it started. Just go until it kind of snugs. Now you're backing out. Go the other way. There you go. Nice. Now one more. Over there. Where'd you get it? You didn't get one. Don't sideways it. Keep it straight up and down. There you go. So now it's going more straight. Okay, is that good?
I untightened it, so I'm doing that.
No, that's good.
It's fine.
Now that's not spinning around as loose. Okay, we got to do the same thing for the other side. So we need more of these.
Oh no,
and
this is gonna be a
two more H's. Well, it won't take long now that we know how, right?
Actually, yeah. Because it took long because we didn't know how to actually get it in.
Right.
Now it explains how Jaden and Dad got the thing in. But it seemed really annoying. Well,
Jaden
it is once you first do it.
Built.
If anyone did this faster than us, good job. Really good job. If you even have a cars, because some of my friends don't. I mean, most of them.
Right.
Because I have more friends.
Okay, so
non-RC friends because I don't know why most.
Where did the other one of these go?
shows this to go in here with a screw and a nut.
Yeah, in which spot?
Stock position is 10 and 2 and 5 and 8.
Well, that's just like right in the middle. So it goes right there in the middle. It's tight fit, isn't it? Okay, wait a second. There's something very important. There's a notch on here. I just saw this note. What is that?
Note, notch always goes on left side of vehicle.
So this is the left side. So face that notch to this side. So is that face pointing to the right left side? Nope. Now it is.
So you have to read that note.
Yep, because the other side is also going to point to the left side.
Okay, put it in, put it in.
Put the screw in?
Yeah. Let me align it with the screw.
Okay.
It just went completely on through. Well, that was easy.
Okay, so for this one, it goes right there.
Right in the middle on, like, near the top.
It does.
Excuse, move your hand so I can put it.
I can't
No,
see.
it's not right there.
Can you get it? Because I don't know.
It goes right here.
You got the right one?
Well, I did for a second. Well, now I do it again.
Okay.
Get a nut or something.
I will. I got to get
Which
the
we
right
need a
nut.
bigger nut.
We do. We got some right there. That's what I was looking for.
Which don't we have a bigger blue nut?
Like this?
I think we do.
You want to use blue for these?
Yeah.
Or
Blue.
yeah, that's serrated. It's not the right kind. That's an M4.
What do we need?
We need an M3 like that. That's an M4.
Aw.
We might have some down in our parts. We can change it out later if you want. If we don't have any, we can get some.
Let's just not change it out until that part's actually broken when we need to.
So you want to just use golden?
Yeah.
Because that's not the right one. You got to have this flange. That's what I was getting.
I know.
Trying to fix that one. Okay. You want to tighten that side while I hold the screw on the other side? Okay, how's that look?
So in stock position, it's pretty much like straight up.
Straight up?
So I was correct. I
That's
was correct.
the camber link.
Told
So
you.
if you make this longer, it tilts that out.
I know.
If you make it shorter, it tilts it in.
Which there's not much to tilt in or out.
But there is some adjustment, and we'll measure that
That was
when we
actually
get it all
really
together.
cool.
That was cool. You like that process?
Yeah.
Well, now we have to build another one.
Whoop,
So we'll come back after we're done building the second camber link. There you go. Tell everybody what we're working on now.
Truggy!
No, what specifically? They're not crazy.
Front part of the Truggy.
Bag G. You want me to open anything?
I'll get it.
You gonna get it out? Okay. Okay, want me to take these things off?
No, I'll get it.
Okay. Don't be crazy. These are so much different looking than the ones we have now, aren't they?
What do you mean by that?
See how the ones on the buggy we have now have 2 screws, and they don't have these on the bottom for screws to go through. That's really different.
And there's a top screw.
That's so different. Sweet bar.
Good.
Well, that's not gonna work.
Actually, oh, we have to put these in first. It just doesn't want to go. Oh yeah, I forgot. Then it won't be able to turn.
No, so you got to take that side out. Now you can do it.
No, you have to take both sides out.
Now will it do it?
Oh, that dog. What's he doing? Oh, I bet he's been being a bad dog and he got put outside.
Maybe. What do you think?
Of course.
It says...
I would like it to eat thing. 1445.
Make sure we get the right one.
Yep, we do.
Is it going to be Yeet Jaden Truggy?
Yeah. Jaden, watch out. Even if you're watching it on my YouTube channel, Jaden.
All right. You don't have to tighten this one too tight. Wait, we got to put these in because we have to get something not right. We're backwards. These are backwards. You know why?
Why?
Look at where the drive output is.
Oh, so this thing was backwards. I thought it was correct. That's why it was backwards.
Yep.
Oh, I'm so stupid.
It's not you. Guess why it's not you?
Oh, because you put it on backwards.
Because I was like, la 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 la.
You were the one who turned it around in the first place. Who had it that way in the first place.
Uh-huh.
So I thought it was really my fault. But anyways, I didn't see it, so it sort of is.
Okay.
Because I didn't see it.
See if you can correct it. The goofball.
I think this is correct though. Actually, no, it's not. This should go on the other side. Ah!
So this goes that way, is what you're saying?
So
if we flipped it around.
Actually, we didn't put the. Wait a minute. Oh.
Does that look right? Drive shaft?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay. Whoop. Nope. You're upside down. There.
Actually, it's not in the.
Yeah, I was gonna say, let me get my hand out of there.
Okay, I messed that up. I was just trying to get that block aligned.
Oh.
I pretty much messed it up. But I fixed that bottom part.
Okay.
I literally smashed my hand. A bun.
Okay, now what screws do we need for these?
We need. Oh, you mean for the part that goes through here? TKR 1529.
Does that match?
I don't know why I was saying Tay. I just got my words mixed up. I mean letters for some reason. Because it was so like a tongue twister. Just say it fast.
See if it'll go through there.
It went through!
We're almost done with bag G. Look at what's next.
Okay. Well, it went
This
all
is
the way
the
back
one
over here.
you can go inside and do some baking. That's the part with the grease, where you put the grease on those pieces.
Yeah.
Is that a good step?
Yep.
Alrighty. Bye.